What is up, YouTube? My name is Oscar. Welcome to the 5X Coaching Academy. And in this video, I'm going to teach you an easy way to make money with Squarespace. Yes, you heard me right, Squarespace. And as an added bonus, if you stick with me until the very end of the video, I'm going to teach you a super easy way to make money in your sleep. And this is actually my side hustle on how I make extra income as a nurse. Okay, a little disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not a lawyer. I am not a consultant. This is just for educational purposes only. If you are having trouble with making money online, just watch this video, maybe learn something new, and let's get started. So, what is Squarespace? Well, if you are watching this video, you probably already know what Squarespace is about, but if you don't, it's basically a website tool that gives you everything you need to make websites, online, stores, things of that nature without coding whatsoever. So you basically just choose your website template, add tools, whatever you need, and reach whatever audience you want to reach. You could create an award-winning template or award-winning website, for example, using portfolios, create a blog, make an online store, personal resumes, creative services, events, weddings, any types of small businesses of that nature. So how can you get money or make money online with Squarespace? Well, let me show you how. You can make money through affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically whenever someone clicks on your link to a Squarespace account, you're going to be making around $200 every single time someone clicks on your Squarespace referrals and actually buys a subscription for around $10 a month. Okay, Squarespace is not that expensive, so let's go look at Squarespace pricing. Okay, if we look at Squarespace pricing, for example, the cheapest one is $12 per month. Whenever someone clicks on this $12 per month and actually purchases it from your affiliate link, you're going to be making $200. Now, the question is, how can you get people to click on your link and actually buy from your affiliate link? Okay, there you go. Go on YouTube, type up Squarespace, and make tutorials how to make a website, for example, how to make a website. And there are tons of videos. Actually, yep, there's a ton of videos on how to make a website really easily. So for this one, Website Learners, how to make money with that website, create a pro website. Do you know why they're making these videos? Because they're making so much money from commissions. So let's go click on Website Learner. They have 780,000 subscribers, okay? So here you go, how to make a portfolio website in WordPress, how to make a website, how to create a website. Everything is how to create a website because these softwares are paying you up to $200 every time someone clicks on their link. So if we look at their stats, let's go see how much they're getting. 1 million views every single month, 1.4 million views. And because of YouTube and how niche this topic is, they're probably earning around $30 for every 1,000 views. So $30 times 1,400, they're making around $42,000 just from AdSense, okay? Just from AdSense. Now, because they get 1.4 million views, let's go say 1,000 people, or okay, let's make it even worse. Okay, 500 people every single month sign up to whatever software they're doing, and they're promoting Squarespace, for example. 500 people times 200 every single month. Oh, that's too much. 200 every month. They can make potentially $100,000 just from promoting Squarespace every single month. Okay, so let's make it an even more conservative number. 500 people don't buy Squarespace from their link. Let's just say 50 people. How much can they make from 50 people signing up? They're making $10,000 per month on top of their AdSense that they're getting from Google. Okay, so that's an awesome way to make money online. It's actually a legit way, and which is why so many people are doing it. Okay, so if you don't want to make a YouTube video and if you don't want to promote affiliate links, there's another easy way to make money. So if you've never heard of Fiverr, Fiverr is basically a website that allows you to create a job listing, create a job profile, and you could say whatever your skill set is. So for example, if you have knowledge in Squarespace, for example, you will design or redesign a Squarespace website. So let's go click on this guy. So This one is $120 for a 3-page website, and they're doing standard $240 for a 6-page website, and a premium, which is $450 for a big website, which is 10 plus pages. He has 4 orders in queue. So let's go say he's making close to around $2,000 today. That's how much he's making, $2,000 today. Also, if you don't know how to make a Squarespace website, you can basically just get the orders in queue, and then you could actually, if you go back right here, you could just go to someone cheaper. For example, $10, okay? Or $30. I will redesign your Squarespace website for only $30. So you get that $500. You order from this guy who's only doing it for $30, and you make the difference in commission. So $500, for example. So you get a $500 order minus $30. Boom. You're making $470 in profit, and you didn't even make the website. This is called drop servicing. A lot of big companies actually do this. Consulting companies do this all the time. They're making money off hiring out basically their employees. Okay, graphic design websites do this all the time. They make a website promoting graphic design products, for example, like making a drawing, and they're going on Fiverr and finding someone to do it for less. So now let's go look at someone else who's probably doing it on their own. They're promoting $115 to make or redesign your Squarespace website, $560 for 2 to 5 pages, and a premium for 6 to 10 pages is $1,120. The cool thing with Fiverr is that you can make up your price whatever you want. If you want to make this $2,000, you can make it $2,000. But remember, if you price it up too much, no one might buy your services. Okay. If you don't want to use Fiverr, let me show you a different way. You can use Upwork. What is Upwork? Upwork is basically like Fiverr, but you could set up your own hourly rates, and people hire you based on whatever your rate is or whatever your resume is. And this is an easy way to make money if you have any experience with Squarespace, okay? So you could do $100 an hour, $89 an hour. Nothing is stopping you from charging whatever you want on an hourly basis, okay? $95 an hour. This guy earned $30,000 just from this website. $30 an hour, he made $10,000. This guy's charging $58 an hour, and he made $100,000. This one guy earned $100,000 plus, and he's charging $150 per hour to make landing pages, to make websites, using things like Squarespace, which only costs $12 every single month. Okay, that's an awesome way to make money. Now, for your bonus, if you don't want to do any of this, and you want to actually create money and create a long-term business and actually follow in my footsteps, not me, I'm not teaching you. I don't have time to teach you because I have an actual job. But you can go on ClickBank. What is ClickBank? It's basically an affiliate marketplace. So you could promote other products and other courses, online programs, things of that nature, and you're going to make money through commissions. It's available in almost every single country. They have paid out over $4.2 billion. It's free to log in and sign up. And once you get into their marketplace and actually sign up, there's a ton of different products that you could promote. So for example, you could promote this product right here, free visitors to your website, money in your pocket. And whenever someone buys through your link, let's go say you have an Instagram account and you're talking about making money online, for example, or entrepreneurship, and someone clicks on your link, you're gonna be making around $151 whenever someone purchases from you. $22, $45, $351 just from someone buying through your program. Okay, you don't need to do any type of marketing. You don't need to sell anything. You don't need to create a product. You don't need to deal with any customers. All you got to do is find people to actually click your link. If you guys want to learn more about how to make money online with affiliate marketing and want to learn from my mentor who actually taught me on how to make money online, click the link in my description below. You won't regret it. Well, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Stay safe, stay blessed, and have a great rest of your day. Peace out.